That's what I've learned. Like I feel like the money that I spent is already like very valuable, like extremely worth it because
Yeah.
like it's not even the fact that it's how do I explain this? It was like an unknown unknown, if that makes sense. Like you don't even know that stuff like this exists.
Yeah.
And then when you go into a group like this that actually cares about this stuff, it's like a constant reminder, like, hey, like this world's out here. You can like make this possible.
Yeah.
So that's why I was just like, man, like first like, oh, like that's a lot of money. And then I was like, wow, like this is even just doing 2 events, right? It's
Yeah.
crazy because it just kind of like changes your whole like you're seeing something that you didn't even think was like the realm of possibility. That alone makes it worth it because it's like it enters your mind into a different perspective.
100%.
Yeah, which is crazy to say. So like, I appreciate it. I'm trying to be more active in the cord. So I posted win I think yesterday, but or not yesterday. I think it was a couple days ago. But um, yeah, I want to really push myself. I know I get scared when I do this kind of stuff. So like, there's still that like tightness you
Yeah.
get from like even like posting ideas or like talking to people in chat. It's like, why am I worried about this? Why does
Right.
it matter? No one cares.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you gotta confront it,
Yeah,
right?
it's like a constant confrontation for me. I'm sure you're familiar with it because I'm sure a lot of other people are the same way or were the same way at least. And sometimes it takes time. And I saw somebody in chat today, I think, that he posted a win immediately, like, damn, he just went and conquered it right away. I got to get on my ball now, right?
Yeah,
So it's
exactly.
like, man, he's already had like a what's that video here? Yeah, it's Ronald. It's like had a
Yeah.
great event yesterday. Just came in. I'm like, damn, hosted a better event than me. I'm like, I've been lingering here for a while, and I'm like, gotta get on the ball, dude.
Yeah. It's fun.
That's why having a community is so good. 'Cause it's like a constant reminder, right? Which I call back to.
Definitely. Yeah, for
So yeah,
sure.
so I wanted to give you that feedback. That I feel like it's been really helpful.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm glad that you've gotten value out of it.
yeah,
So,
definitely got big value out of it. So
let's keep it going, man.
yeah,
Doesn't